lumakas, gano'n. Mahirapan tayo umuwi, gano'n. O diba, biglang may gano'n. Harap. Not the pain. Hindi na yan lalakas. Diba? Hindi ka na lalakas. Ayun po ang kalangitin. Nakakita nyo po. Ayon sa aking suso. Mga ano pa po siya. Mga 15 minutes pa po siya magtatagal. At mga ano pa siya. Mga ang bilis po ng takbo ng ulan is 50 miles per hour. So mamaya nasa USA na siya. Yes, darling. Hindi po siya magtatagal sa Pilipinas. Hindi po siya magtatagal sa Pilipinas, ladies and gentlemen. Dahil ako si Jean Grey, uurong ko yung ulan. So ayun na nga po. Ano masasabi mga about sa ulan?
Ang lakas gago.
Bakit gano'n, pa boy? Ayun na nga po, stranded kami kasi kahit saan ka umapak, basa. So nakataas yung paa namin. And eto na nga po pala si Crazy, ang aking isa sa mga soul sister. So say hi to the camera. Kita ka? So ayun na nga. Siya po ang unang-unang na-struggle sa ulan dahil po yung taxi na sinakyan niya, binabalang sa munisipyo, nag-jeep siya at nilabalan niya yung ulan. My God! Ako, dahil hindi ako nalaban sa ulan, papatagal ako dito dahil Ago. That's lang. Ayaw pa magpa-video. Masyado siyang private. Private examine. Ano ba yan? Ala, nakita ko nagsinusuba. Oh my God. So yun na nga, this will be the starting video of the night. Say bye to the camera. Bye! Hi guys, right now we're still here at Lakay and oh my gosh, we are... Lagi ka ano, no? And right now we are the bomb, bitch.
Mga taong ganyan. Yung kilay niya. Ganda may kilay. Wapak, diba?
Yung mga ganyang kilay, ladies and gentlemen, pambukas yun ng beer.
Ano naman yung kilay ko?
Pambukas ng dilata.
Ang bakit ang kilay?
No. So yun na nga, ladies and gentlemen, we're still here at Lakay and right now we are so... We are the bomb right now and right now, oh my God, yung kilay ko. Wala pa, hindi pa rin dumating. And right now, I'm here with my friends. So say hi to the camera, bitch. This will be the second video of the night. Keep in touch with us because there will be more, bitch. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop until the sunrise goes down. So bye, bitch. Ako muna. Hi guys, right now we're here. We're still here, darling. And, oh my god, I love those feelings. Love it. Pero nababastos ako sa no. Right now, oh my god! Those eyeballs are not even going away, bitch. Go home. Right now, there is a serious fight over here, and right now, they are so... Yuck! Ew. And right now, we're still here at Lakay. And yes, I'm still with my friends. I'm so sorry for that. Huh? Wait lang. And we're still here at Lakay. Hi. Ayun na nga. There is a serious fight that is going on right now, so we're going to film it.
Hindi, wala. Ano ba yan? Huwag mo ang bag. Bakit ako, Mark?
Budget daw siya. Ako na lang mag-i-interpret. Bye! Hey guys, right now we're here at the video ATM machine. And yes, we're near at Ibarra and my hair so... Hi! Say hi to my vlog. Say hi! Yeah, it's been drawing. Where ba yun? Say na nga. Like, oh my gosh. We are so surreal.
Uy, marami dito, be. Ito. Patay mo muna.
Ayun na nga. Say goodbye for now because there are so many... Ang tawag na, ano yung English yung ano, magnanakaw? Step.
Here.
So bye. Hi guys, right now we're here in Ibarra and yes, we are back on track, bitches. Ayun na nga. Sorry, hugger na. And right now, I'm still with my friends. So, I'm going to introduce them to you one by one. So, I want you to say hi to the camera.
Hi, Davo! Hi!
Sabi mo kung kita kayo ah.
Hi! Oh, makaposa. Hi!
Sabi mo, ayaw na mong
Hi.
Hi!
balik yung tali ah.
Hi!
Hi.
Ano Eva? Hi!
Hi. Say hi to the camera. And there they are. We are the remaining of the remaining because we are tough, we are strong, and we will never go to be still drinking after a door later on. And yeah, we're strong, we're fierce, we are indestructible, bitch. Because we're the main bitch. We're the super bitch, bitch. If you're a bitch, go home then, bitch. Hashtag main bitch. Hashtag super bitch. Hashtag if you're just a bitch, go home then, bitch. Bye, bitch. Something like that. Say hi to the camera, bitch. Oh my God. Ayun nga. Nagbabaliwan na po kami dito. May mga pili. Guys, right now, we're here at Ibarra.
Ang daming update.
Ayun na nga, ulitin natin all over again. Ayun na nga, we're still here at Ibarra. And yes, hindi ko na ulitin kasi baka may imbudo sila. Kasama ko na ito mamaya. So yeah, ang saya namin. Oh my God, I love it. Wala pa pala, sorry.
Louder, please. Umaharap kasi dapat sa mic. Ano mo pa yung mic?
Ayan po. You've first seen it here at Marcos. Bitch, kung hindi ka pa nasugatan, tangina mo, saan ka pinanganak? Ha? Darling. Bye. I'm going to shut this bitch. Hi guys, right now we're here at Ibarra. Yes, of course. We're all here and right now I'm still listening. What the hell? Yeah. magtago kayo. And yun nga, I'm so sorry that I can't stay for long, but I'm going to drink this.
Shooting me!
So, bye guys! Hi guys, this is a quick video and yes, right now we're here on going to Moray. Wala pa naman USD.
Oo na naman.
Puta, wag ka sumama ha. And right now, this will be a quick video. Oh, ilalayo ko kasi biglang bye po. So, say hi to the camera.
Yung ako malakas mag-gym, ikaw malakas mag-gym.
Yan naman.
So, there they are. Yeah. And I'm going to say goodbye for now because hindi ko alam kung saan kami. Malapit na kami sa bahay. Hindi, malayo pa pala kami. Safe mo pa lang yun. Ayun. I got oh my God. CBD house. Nababawasan kami. Bye, Jomen. Say goodbye to the camera. So sad.
Stress na naman.